Hi, this is Srinath from LJ Technologies, Hyderabad. Now we are trying to demonstrate how to install the pneumatic telescopic mast. First of all, you choose the plain ground of about 7.2 meter diameter, 7.2 meter radius. Remove place the base plate which was supplied in Mast accessories box on the ground, and take out the marker guy assembly which was supplied with in the Mast box, and mark the peg locations show as demonstrated. That means shorter distance, shorter length of the marker guy assembly thread is for center to one end of the peg, and longer length of the thread is for peg to peg location. Okay, now you see our people has position. See shorter distance, how they are positioned on these two locations are the peg locations. This is the center location. Okay, accordingly you mark the 3 peg locations. Now peg in the nails as shown in the ground to hold the base plate on ground. Now peg in the pegs as shown in the chain links should be placed to the base plate location. Likewise, you peg in the 3 pegs and loose the Allen key bolts on the base cup to enable to insert the bass base into the base cup. Now take out the mast from the packing box and bring it to the erection site. Insert the bottom of the mast into the base cup and comfortably place the other end of the mast on the on the erector stand, the position. Now insert the guy ropes into the respective guying assembly. Ensure that the color code of the guy rope should match with the guy rope hex plate. Now connect all the stages of the guy ropes to respective guy holders. Ensure that should connect properly with the proper color code. After connecting the all guy ropes to respective guy place, run the all the guy ropes to the respective pegs. perspective. Now you can connect the antenna mount. Antenna adapter which was supplied along with the mast, and tied the screws. So now you can connect your antenna to this adapter. Now the mast is ready for erection. You can lift the mast. One person can hold the gyros other side. Insert the turnbuckle, which was a part of gyro, to the peg, and loose the clamps and pull it to required height and tied the U-clamps. After fixing the all bottom level gyros to the respective pegs, you have to ensure the verticality of the mast. Now you can adjust the verticality of the mast by tightening and loosening the turnbuckles to the which were at the end of the guy ropes. So you can rotate it manually. If it is too hard, you can use some tools like screwdrivers to tight the ropes. Now it needs to be adjusted further. So in this way you can tie the guy ropes and ensure the tension of the guy rope in all guy ropes equally. Even you can use the spirit level which was supplied as in toolkit to ensure the verticality of the mast before erecting. After positioning the mast, ensure that all the U-clamps to the rest tighten properly and tightly. Now you can rotate the mast in azimuth angle plus or minus 180 degrees. You can rotate to position your antenna to respective direction. After aligning the direction, you can fix the Allen keys of the bolts of the base cup. Have to fix the screws properly. After fixing that, now you connect the inlet valve assembly to the mast inlet. Ensure that to wound some nylon tape to avoid the leakages. Now you can close the valve. Now the valve is in operation. Now this is valve. Now close the valve and connect the hose pipe from the compressor. Now the mast was ready for erection. Now we have used some dummy loads on the top to check the mast in full load capacity. This mast was designed for 25 kg payload, so we have kept 25 kg load on the top. So ensure that all the pneumatic input connection from compressor to mast, inlet, valve, and now start the erection of the mast. Mona, उधर से now you tie, first of all tight all the locking collars. Check the tightness of the all locking collars and release the valve, inlet valve. Now air input. Now mast will start erecting. Now tight and top of the now once the top section goes back, you will hear the click sound. After hearing the click sound, you tight that particular locking colors and loose the below locking colors to allow the bottom section to go up. Sequentially you have to now you tight that particular second section up because we have heard the click sound, and loose the below section. We have to follow this sequence of operation. Now 3 section gone up, 4th section is going up. This mast is 12-meter erected height pneumatic telescopic mast, which comprise of 7 sections. In 7 section, one is the outermost one, and rest 6 are telescopic sections. In this 6 telescopic section, now 4th one is going up. Now click, so you have heard the click sound. That means that particular fourth section is reached its maximum height, and tight that particular section and release the bottom one. Now the fifth section is going up. We have connected a tape, measuring tape, with this mast to measure the total erected height. Now fifth section reached its maximum level. Have to tight that particular section locking collars and release the sixth one. Now the sixth section is going up. Note that till now only bottom section guy ropes were tightened and remaining two level guy ropes are hanging. We can only tight them to respective pegs once the mast have reached its maximum height. Now we have heard the click sound, and sixth section also reached its maximum height and tied that particular collar. Now the erection of the mast was completed. Now we have to tie the guy ropes to the respective. Now switch off the valve and switch off the compressor and tight the all guy ropes to the respective pegs. Ensure that levels you have tied the guy ropes. That means top level guy rope at the top of the peg, second level at the second level of the peg, vice versa. मुन्ना इधर आके वो खोल देना। वो నరసింహ రేపే పొద్దున్నే 5-6 గంటలకు రా, సాయంత్రం వచ్చేస్తాం. ఇంకెందుకు అక్కడ ఏం పర్లేదు, వచ్చేద్దాం సాయంత్రంకి. నిన్నే నువ్వు అక్కడే మా పని ఉన్నా కూడా నేను పంపించేస్తాం, సరేనా? 1 అవర్ అయినమ్మా, 24 మీటర్ ఎంత ఏం పడుతుంది మర్చిమా, నీకు తెలీదా? పెయింటింగ్ కూడా అవసరం, పెయింటింగ్ కూడా వేసి పంపించేసినాం. అది 7-8 గంటల వరకు నువ్వు ఇంటి దగ్గర వదిలే బాధ్యత నాది రేపు సాయంత్రం, సరేనా? కార్లో కదా పోయేది మనం, సరేనా? రేపు పొద్దున్న నేను లేవగానే 5 గంటలకు ఫోన్ చేస్తా, నువ్వు లేపుతా. నిన్ను లేపితే రెడీ అయిపోండు. నేను 5:30 అట్లా వచ్చి నిన్ను అక్కడ నెహ్రూ బొమ్మ దగ్గర ఎక్కించుకుని వెళ్ళిపోతా. ఓకే మరి. ఆయన ఆగమని చెప్పుకోవచ్చు. After pumping the air inside the mast, now the mast is ready for retraction, that is bringing down. So release the ball slightly because we have pumped some wire. Of the way you have to open the valve. Don't open fully because the mast may come down drastically. So lose the bottom level locking collars by rotating the thumb screws. Now the mast has started coming down slowly. Now you can observe that mast is coming down slowly. If you open the valve fully, it may come down fastly, so it may once that stage come down, you tight the particular locking collar bottom and release the upper one. Then the section will start coming down. Sequentially you have to do this tightening and loosening process until the total mast comes down. Bit careful while at this stage, that means when the guy anchor plate is coming down, so we have limited place there, you should be careful. Only 2 sections left. Now only final section left. Now total mast has come down, and tight the top level thumb screws also, and now you can pack up the mast by disconnecting the respective guy ropes. Thank you.